There's my Nicky and my Petey in his diaper on my bed. Showing you on my tape, my bed. Come here, Petey. Come here, boo-boo. Let's see you hop around. There he goes up on his feet. Go ahead, come on down. Come on down. Come on the stairs. Can you come over here? Come on, sweetie pie. Come on. Come on. Come on down. Come on. Come. Come with Nicky. Come on, let's go get treats. Come on, Petey. Come on, come. Come on, I'll give you a treat. Come on. Come on. Come, boo-boo. I'm making you a tape. Come on, boo. Nicky, want a treat? Here it comes. Queen size. Oh. Yeah. And you know, the problem is they sound enough similar in their monosyllables, and that's hard for dogs, language-wise. I'm going to show you my washer now. I'm making a video. And you'll see this is a very small, tiny corner next to my sink that I've squeezed it into. I don't keep it here. I wheel it out. It's on casters. But I leave it here when I'm doing laundry. More often than not, it just sits here, and it's all of 17 inches wide. Yeah, but what about weather? 17 inches wide by 17 inches deep. It's tiny. I'm opening the lid so you can see the basket. It's very flat. I just take the hoses over to my sink. I've got the adapter already screwed onto my bathroom sink instead of my kitchen, so I don't have to lose my kitchen sink while I'm doing laundry. The only thing I can't do is take a shower and brush my teeth, but I can certainly pee. So the thing is hooked up. It's in the corner. I turn on the water, and it rolls into my kitchen under a counter out of harm's way. And if you had a place you could store it that's protected from the elements, you certainly don't want sand or dirt to be getting in the washing machine. Yeah, but it's going to be better inside than out. It's got an on. Oh, I got to plug it in, then it works real good. I found most washers work better if they're plugged in. So I turn it on. I can set the water temperature, or the water volume to low, medium, high, and there's cycles are heavy, quick wash, normal. I'm going to do, you can just do a rinse or spin. I'm going to do heavy for the mattress pad, because that'll give it an extra rinse cycle. And I tend to like to really rinse out any puppy pee that might be in there, make sure it's real fresh. And I use HE soap in it because, you know, a top loader, I just don't like to make things over suds in it. And I haven't had any problems one way or another, but I just put in my soap. And with the mattress pad, if you want to neutralize urine, you put in a little vinegar. Because it's ammonia, you want to neutralize it. basicity. Ammonia is basic, right? And I'm just going to put in, sometimes I put in the OxiClean stuff when I've got stains, and boy is it clean. Come on, get up. And I'm going to put in this great big mattress pad. And show you on the video that it fits in there. And when I hit start, it goes. Now there's only two things that I don't like about it, and one is, well, of course I'd never leave a washer going and leave, but it'll unbalance all too easily. You can take the casters off and put sturdy mount legs in, but then you can't move it easily. It's lightweight, and it flies around the apartment on the wheels, but the sturdy mount legs don't balance as badly. But, so what will happen is it unbalances very easily. Sometimes it's too full of load, it'll stop itself during the spin. You gotta go and open the lid and close the lid. Generally go for lower load. With the mattress pad, which is a big heavy load, that it's one piece, it doesn't do that. The other thing it does is because it's got just a bottom flat disc that comes back and forth, it twists the clothes, so you'll get tangles. Things will sort of be wrapped around each other. You have to untangle them. But with a smaller load, it's not a problem.